tracking what you're doing in your weight reduction, workouts, your food can become a little frustrating, I have an answer for you. The Optimal Health Systems Healthy Habit Tracker is amazing and it's free, no charge. So let me walk through the process of how you can actually find this app. So go on to your app store and you will search 63, the number 63 for me, F-O-R, me. When that app comes up, you download it. To open it, you will put my code in, which is OHSB GKIER, and that information is in the materials up above. That will allow you free access to this app. This app is so cool. It makes life so easy. So it's set up for 63 days where you can track your workouts. And then there is also all of these really cool features in it, like how to fast. What's the benefits of fasting? You can actually go right onto that area and learn about fasting. Then you can go on to the gut-brain axis. This is a training tool, and other things that are on here, how you take your supplements, why you're taking supplements, and why you're chewing your food, why you're not eating flour, sugar, drinking alcohol in order to maximize and optimize your health. This is why we're here. We want to optimize our health. And how cool is that? We have a free app through Optimal Health Systems that actually will do everything for you and keep it so painless, so easy in the palm of your hand. So you do a workout, and then what you do is you come right in here to the 63 for Me challenge area. I've already completed one 63 for Me session. So today I will start over and I will go into my healthy habits, and it shows right here. Today's my start date. I'll put my work in out today in the app, and then I can track my food. And what's so cool with this is if you want to do fat reduction, maintain where you are, or weight gain. Some people do want to gain weight. You can actually click on one. I'll do fat reduction. And then what kind of lifestyle? Is it sedentary or are you very active? So you have all of these choices, and then you put in your age, how tall you are, and then put in my weight, and then it actually calculates how many nutrients a day in the proper portions to eat, and then you just get started with it, and then you can track your food. So easy. We went over the fasting pack. You can actually track your fasting through this app. So you got the training on here of why you want to fast, and then you can track it through here. If you're going to do a 1, 2, or 3 day fast, you can dial it right in, and then it keeps track of it for you. Go on, get the Healthy Habits Tracker, and get started today on tracking your results and your progress of living a life filled with vitality. I am Jerry with Complete Nutrition Alliance.